Trucks. After spending hours and hours on the road, some wear and tear is inevitable, no matter how high the quality. However, Volvo Trucks' new communications system, Telematics Gateway, enables service technicians to inspect trucks while they're still on the road. The system, which will hit the market in 2013, makes it possible to minimise unplanned workshop visits.
Uptime becomes more and more important for our customer. Everything will be just in time, as everyone knows, and therefore this will improve the efficiency for all of us.
With Telematics Gateway, workshops can access a truck's information online. The system allows them to monitor the status of the battery, the brake pads, the clutch and air dryer. They can also read diagnostic trouble codes, see how many miles the truck has driven and the number of engine hours.
Today, when we service a truck, we estimate a planned driving conditions, but then the customer may use it more and drive in the more heavy conditions. Now we can actually read out the real usage from the truck, so we can service the truck when it's really necessary.
If wear reaches a crucial level, a warning will be issued in the system. The service technician can then contact the customer and book a service, thereby reducing the risk of a breakdown and an unplanned workshop visit. But sometimes the truck won't even have to visit the workshop at all. The new system not only inspects the truck while it's still on the road, but can even update the software remotely. This is called Features Online.
And this we see a great opportunity in the future. Today we have a few parameters, but in the future that will become more and more. So more or less everything that you can do today in the workshop, you can do it remotely. The purpose of this is to give more uptime to our customer and a peace of mind.